Hi, I'm Dr. Aaron Williams, your host of the Weekly Wellness Channel. This year, 95,000 new cases of colon cancer and 40,000 cases of rectal cancer will be diagnosed. Signs and symptoms may include a change in bowel habits that last for more than a few days, rectal bleeding with bright red blood, blood in the stool which may make the stool look dark, cramping, weakness, fatigue, or unintended weight loss. Depending on the stage, colorectal cancer is very treatable and a lot of times preventable. The key is early detection. The American Cancer Society recommends that starting at age 50, men and women should have a colonoscopy or some type of screening test to detect polyps or cancer in the colon. If needed, treatment depends on the stage and may include surgery, radiation therapy, chemotherapy, or some combination. You can help decrease your risk of colon cancer by maintaining a healthy weight, increasing your physical activity, have a diet high in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, and try to lower the amount of red meat and processed meats that you eat. Also, avoid excessive alcohol intake and, of course, stop smoking. So if you're approaching 50 or have a family history of colon or rectal cancer, have this conversation with your doctor. Until next week, be healthy, be happy, and be kind.